Lemon raspberry cake. Okay, so see how beautifully put together this cake is? Let's talk about that cake. Y'all, I used the normal ingredients I do to make a cake. I made y'all fresh raspberry puree. I'm even binding the sugar and lemon zest together to release the oils, and so it'll be ultra lemony. I'm mixing it. I'm doing all of the stuff, adding fresh lemon juice, no lemon extract. Look how pretty that look. Y'all, when I tell y'all this cake came out so trash, it had a bread-like texture. Look how pretty it looked. This is false advertisement, honey. You can't trust me right now. You can't trust me. So I should have known it was messed up when I cut into it because it was hard. So I had to redeem myself because I'm like, nah, I'm Chef Morgan. I can't go out like that. So I didn't go out like that. So now I done turned the recipe in to a 3-layer ultra lemon raspberry cake. I made a raspberry mascarpone, or is it mascarpone? I don't know, raspberry mascarpone frosting. I was like, you know what? I'm a little rusty. I haven't made, a 3-layer cake in a while. Let me practice. Y'all, the cakes was leaning and all of that. That's neither here nor there. I was like, let me just practice. I decorated it. I was feeling good, but I knew that this cake was going to be fire. Boom.